This is an awesome segment. What tools do you need to teach yourself medical billing and coding? You can search, and it all will lead back to the same thing. You need to have tools to conquer medical billing and coding. These tools consist of the same tools that they use in a regular school. You guys know what I always say. You need to have a book to jot down a lot of what you see in the book that you cannot decipher. Write these things down, put them on search engine, and get the definitions. When you're reading a book, write down something that you're not clear on. This is self-taught. When you're home and you're reading that CPC guide, keep reading it until you understand what's going on with that guide. You need to know medical billing. You get the Medical Insurance Handbook. Go to Elsevier and get that book, or go to Amazon.com. Read that book word for word. That's the same book that they use in the college. Do the exercises. In my course, I give them tasks and I give them procedure cases to do. And this is more than just your exercises that come from the book. And we also do one-on-one. But if you know how to retain information and you are definitely sure that this is what you want to do, you will learn how to do medical billing. It's in the book. It's in the book, word for word. You can teach yourself how to do medical billing. You can teach yourself how to do coding. Get the ICD-10, get the CPC, get the HCPCS book. Read all of the guidelines. Keep reading them. Highlight everything in there that you think you need to remember. Use your index cards. You guys know I always say index cards. I have them with me way over there, but always get index cards. Write down what you need on index cards. Write down words, write down medical terminology words on index cards. These are your go-to. These are your go-to. Highlight what you need to highlight, okay? Because if you cannot remember something, let's say you wanted to go back into the book and write something down. You've already highlighted it, so you know that you're going to go back and get it, okay? You need a medical terminology book. My course does, have the book. I give it to the students, but you guys can purchase your own book. Go to Amazon.com and purchase a language of medicine book. Go to Kindle. You remember what I told you guys? Kindle will give you that book for free as far as 4 or 5 paragraphs until you actually get your book. You can do that. You have to follow a guide. Follow a guide. If you guys want the program card, we can make that happen. Okay? You can make your own program card. If you need a guide to go by to help you to stay on track because you are getting ready to self-teach yourself medical billing and coding, you have to create it. One of my videos, I show the guide. I show a guide. I added dates to the guide. So my students would, get it more easier. They can stay on that track. You can do the same thing. You can do the same thing. You can make your own guide. Okay? In medical billing and coding, you don't need to spend $16,000. Do it yourself. Take your time. Set 2.5 hours a day. Do reading on Saturday, do reading on Sunday. That's what it's all about. Keep reading, keep reading. Get a medical language book. Get the medical insurance billing book. That shows you what medical insurance billing is all about. You have to be abreast on that. As you're taking those exercises, that's how you learn. When you go to school and you sit in the classroom, the teacher's not feeding work to you. You're the one who's actually doing the reading. You're the one who's doing the summaries. You're the one who's doing the exercises. She's just grading your tests. She is guiding you. She is putting you in the right place and hoping that you catch on. Here, you can guide yourself. You can guide yourself. Get all the tools that you need to help you do what you need to do. That's all you have to do. There's so many different things in coding that you will learn. Is coding easy? That's up to the person who's training for the coding. That's up to the person who decides to take a training course. Trust me, the training course is the same as you get from Sapphire. I'm giving you what they do. You may need guidance. If you guys need guidance, send me an email. Send me a message through YouTube. I will guide you through. I will guide you through. Go through some of my videos. I'm literally explaining to you how to teach yourself. In my course, I teach my students how to teach themselves. I am their guide. I am their guide. So you can do it too. Teach yourself how to do medical billing and how to do coding. Each one of those chapters, there are probably 18 chapters in the medical insurance book. Read every single one of them. Highlight every single one of them. Take as many notes as you want to, as many notes as you need. Okay, you guys are doing the coding. Go to aapc.com. Purchase those pre-tests. Okay, when you get savvy enough to understand what ICD-10 is and what CPT is, go on there and get those tests. They have so many different things there you can teach yourself. It takes perseverance. It takes perseverance. It takes you paying attention. It takes you wanting to hit a goal. Do it. Do not give up. Do it. Okay? Because if you don't, everybody else is going to do it. They're going to leave you behind. If you need any other information, let me know. Medical billing and coding, you can teach yourself. You just need the tools to do it. Okay? You need to know that there's 21 chapters, 22 chapters. Get to know the systems of the body. Okay? All that is in my course, but I'm telling you what you're going to look for, and you can do it yourself. If you choose to join my course, that's fine. But you can do this yourself. I give you the information to teach yourself. There's no sign-in time. There's no deliverance of, what you have to do immediately. You have a schedule for the whole process. Make your schedule. Look at that video I did a couple of days ago. I think 2 weeks ago, I put a schedule in there. Look at the schedule. See how I did it. You can make your own schedule. Do it on your own time. So this is just a short video. I just wanted to kind of come on and let you guys know that. I do see a lot of stuff, asking, how do I teach myself medical billing? How do I learn medical billing for free? You've done enough of research on YouTube to know how to do this thing for free. Trust me. You need the material. You need the material. You can hear this. That's fine. You can talk forever. But you're going to have your hands-on material. Get that ICD-10 book. Okay? Get the book. You're doing medical billing, get the medical insurance billing book. You're doing ICD-10, read the guidelines in ICD-10. CPT, read the guidelines. Go to cms.gov. Type in www.cms.gov and put in ICD-10 guidelines 2023. It'll come up. If you don't have an ICD-10 book, read it over and over. Highlight it. Read it, read it, read it. When you think you're savvy enough, go take the CPC. If you fail, all right, I'll take it again. If you fail, take it again. No, you're not going to get the same test, but the tests will be similar. That will save you $30,000 from going to a medical insurance billing school. Okay, if you guys go on my website, sapphirecoding.com, it's way cheaper than that. And sometimes I cut that thing in half. Go on there and check it out. You can see it. You send me an email, always put you in the right direction. But remember, you can teach yourself medical billing and coding. You need the tools to do it. I give you the tools to do it. You can go on my website. You can give me a call. Send me an email. I will give you the tools to do it. You want to do it yourself? I just told you the tools that you need. You need to have guidance. When you get that book, make sure you are guiding yourself to the right thing. Okay? Because that's what I'm going to do. I'm guiding my students to the right thing. Okay? Let's highlight this. You get that CPT book, you see those codes that look similar? Highlight the ones that look similar. Because you don't want to pick the wrong one and the last digit is the same as the other digit. And the similar code is the same as the similar code on top. You're going to highlight that. You're going to highlight everything in the book that you think you need. You need guidance? Give us a call. I'm telling you, you can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. You want to do the program? You don't even have to do the program. You can go to Shopify and buy my courses separate. if you choose to. If you choose to just do the medical billing course, you can go on Shopify and get that thing for, what I have it for $20 now. If you get the whole course, I have it on sale for $4.99, and then I think I sliced it to $2.49. It's almost holiday time. I'm going to knock that thing down to $99. So everybody can do it. This is a course that's $30,000. Everything that they do in the school, I've put it into the course. But I'm telling you, literally, you can do it yourself, because I'm just giving you the information. You're the one who's doing the learning. Okay, so just remember that. All you need is the tools to learn yourself how to do medical billing and coding. Okay? You can work at home. You can work in-house. Just stay focused. You need help? Send us an email. Subscribe to the channel. Don't miss anything, because eventually I'm going to start putting more of what we're doing in the classroom. You will get it. Okay? I'll talk to you next time.